In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass your next Excel exam. Excel questions often focus on formulas and quick filling techniques. So in this tutorial, we are going to practice a simple example that shows both skills clearly. If you follow along carefully, you will see how to enter a formula correctly and then extend it across the sheet in a fast, exam-ready way. First, open your Excel workbook. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct file, because this is where many small exam mistakes start. Once the workbook is open, look at the worksheet you intend to use and scan to find the grid of cells. You want to be ready to jump directly to the right place instead of clicking around for too long. Next, select cell C2. Click on the cell or use your keyboard navigation to move to C2. As soon as you select it, you should see the cell highlight. This step matters because formulas will be entered into the active cell, and exam questions usually expect you to put the result exactly where specified. Make sure C2 is highlighted before you type anything. Now you are going to type the formula. With cell C2 selected, type =sum 1, 2 into the formula bar. As you type, focus on the exact characters. The equal sign tells Excel that you are entering a formula. Sum is the function name for adding values. The parentheses hold the values you want to sum, and the comma separates them. This part is important because Excel reads formulas very literally, so small typing differences can cause an error. After the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. When you press Enter, Excel calculates the result and displays it in cell C2. You should see a number appear where the formula was calculated. If the number appears as expected, that means your formula was typed correctly and Excel understood it. In an exam setting, this is the confirmation step that keeps you from moving on with the wrong answer. Next, double-click Fill button to fill. After your result appears in C2, locate the fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. When you double-click the Fill button, Excel automatically fills adjacent cells based on the pattern it detects. This is a fast method that exam graders like to see because it demonstrates efficiency and understanding of how Excel expands formulas. Before you do the double-click, it is helpful to make sure there is data to the right or below that Excel can use as a reference for the fill. Double-clicking the fill handle works best when Excel has enough neighboring structure to determine how far to continue. Watch the cells as they fill and confirm that the formula or results extend as intended. This way, you can catch any unexpected behavior early instead of at the end. Once the fill completes, take a quick moment to verify a couple of the filled cells. Look at the values and confirm they make sense for the sum of 1 and 2. The results should match what you got in C2 for the repeated cells, because the formula being filled should apply consistently across the selected range. At this point, you have completed the core workflow that many Excel exam problems test. You selected a specific cell, entered a clear and correct formula using the formula bar, confirmed the calculation with Enter, and then used the fill handle to extend the formula efficiently. This combination is a strong foundation for more complex tasks later. So that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.